Welcome back to the CRX DIY Restoration Series brought to you by Resin Auto Co. In the last episode, I cleaned out this relic, slayed some rust encapsulated the trunk, as well as the now rust-free areas where the seat brackets bolt into. On this episode, I'm going to remove the sound deadening with some dry ice. Now, I've never done this before, and so I had no idea how much I was going to actually need, so I decided to start with the dry ice pellets. I bought about 5 pounds of these. They worked pretty well. The trick is to leave the exposed dry ice directly onto the sound deadening and letting it freeze the material for about 15 minutes or so. To test the material to see if it's ready, you can tap it with a rubber mallet or a ball peen hammer. If it shatters, it's ready.
Look at that. Came right off.
You can also try to remove it with a spatula. Just use some gloves because frozen sound deadening is really sharp and it can cut you. So for this first round, I spread the dry ice pellets over as much of an area as I could and removed as much of the sound deadening as possible. And then this happened.
Yeah. Ouch.
For the first session, I was actually able to remove a lot of the sound deadening. For the second session, I decided to try out the bricks to see how effective they were compared to the pellets. I got like 7 or 8 pounds of these total. Now, I hadn't figured out yet that the dry ice needed to come into direct contact with the sound deadening, so it was a little bit of a learning curve for me, but once I figured it out, it went super quickly after that. I'm not sure why I left it in the bag. I just thought, I don't know, dry ice is like negative 200 degrees Fahrenheit, so I should be good, but it was not good. You gotta put it directly on that stuff. Anyway, here's the sound deadening free interior of the CRX. There are definitely some areas that are gonna need some rust treatment and some welding, but for now, we first need to tackle the driver's seat bracket issue, which will be in an upcoming episode, so stay tuned for that. Oh, and if you have a bunch of dry ice left over, take a bowl of water and let it dissolve outside for some fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.